So guys, we are in Singapore Airport. Yes, you can see one of the best airport in the world. Let me show you. So this is the back side. You can see it's like a 7-star hotel, not an airport. We had to check in the bag, which we used this machine where we had to just select the airport airlines and then acknowledge and then scan your passport or boarding pass and then print your bag tags and all, and you will be done. I'm exiting because I'm done, and once you are done, it's quite easy because you don't have to get into the queue. You can directly drop your baggage over here and you are done, and you can go for the immigration. Now while at the immigration, I cannot show you because that's a restricted area, but let me, we have the trolley. We kept a few bags only with us because we had 5 bags totally, but 3 bags because we had enough weight in our hand. 54 kg, they said 54 kgs are allowed for our tickets, so that's why we checked in 3 baggages. Actually, while going to India, we are traveling from Singapore to India, and while traveling to India, we mostly keep our bags empty because while coming back, we have to take a lot of things from India. And so actually, I went to the ticketing counter in case if you have any queries from the ticketing counter of SIA, then they have it in the Terminal 3 at row 6. You can clarify anytime. They are very helpful. Now we are going for immigration. We cannot shoot at immigration, so once we are done with the immigration, I'll be shooting again. I'll tell you how immigration works and how easy it is. It is very super fast. मस्त था ना इमिग्रेशन?
मजे आ गए। आप मेरा वीडियो लेते हैं?
लिया ना, अभी ले रहा हूँ देखो। इमिग्रेशन में वीडियो अलाउड नहीं है एक्चुअली. So basically, we are not allowed to shoot video while immigration. But now Singapore Airport actually no need passport. Once you are done with all the formalities, go to the immigration, and it's super fast. It will take maximum 10 seconds. It will just verify your face, and it's done. No need for a passport, no manual thing, nothing. So that's why it deserves to be the best airport in the world. Now we are at the shops to buy some chocolates or wines maybe. Let's see. And you can see the interior of the airport, the sitting area, lotted duty free.